Want customers to access their cart anytime while browsing your store? Add a floating cart that follows them across the page. Sometimes customers want to quickly check their cart while browsing products. A floating cart makes this simple. So for that, first you need to go to WordPress dashboard, then click on on-page checkout. Now open the floating cart tab. In general settings, you can see the first option, enable sticky cart. Let's enable them. And the second option is cart checkout behavior. It could be direct checkout or would be pop-up checkout. Let's make it pop-up checkout. And from the right side, you can set position of floating cart. And if you go down, you can see the button style option. You can change background color, text color, add hover background color, or change the hover text color, and can also add border radius. Then you need to click Save Changes. Now go to shop page and you can see our floating cart has been added to the shop page. If you click on the floating cart, you can see a slide out cart is opening from the right side. Here you will get more suggestion to add to cart. Let's add to cart this item. You can add here coupon for get discount. Apply the coupon. You can see the coupon has been applied. You may increase the quantity of your products from here and also could decrease it. You can also remove any product from the cart. You need to click the cross icon, or if you want to delete more items, you can select them all. And if you click on here, all items will be removed. Let's uncheck them. Here is two kind of checkout option. If we choose pop-up checkout and click Save Changes, then if you click checkout, a pop-up will appear. Or if you select direct checkout and then click Save Changes, then this checkout button will lead you to the checkout page. So that's how the floating carts work. You'll see the floating cart on the page, allowing customers to quickly view their cart and proceed to checkout.